Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have another yarn haul. I know, like I need more yarn. Anyway, this is another yarn haul, and this one is from Knitcrate. I got a lot of their yarns for 75% off, so I got a really good deal, and that's why I went ahead and did it. And let me go ahead and show you what I got. So, I got 2 of these. Yeah, I know, I couldn't say no. They are one of my favorites. I think they're absolutely adorable. So, this is Uber Yarns, and it is called Electric. And here are the details. It is called Wired. It is the... Come on, come in. Huacaya alpaca, 40%. 30% wool, 30% Surrey alpaca, worsted weight, 150 yards. Of course, it is hand washed gently and lay flat to dry. And then I got 2 of those. I already had 8 of them, so now I got 2 more, so I could make a bigger project. So I got 2 of those. I then got, where's the other one? I then got 2 of these. I love this bright green color. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And this is, there it is, Audion Wool's Sleek. Get it to come in. There it is. And this is Unwind, 55% merino, 30% baby alpaca, 15% mulberry silk. And it is 220 yards, and it is considered a DK weight yarn. And I had to get 2 in this beautiful green, and of course it is soft and squishy. Who doesn't love soft squishy yarn? And I couldn't do just the green. You know, I had to get more. I had to get it in the orange. It is the same decals, but this color is called Bliss. So, there's the Bliss. And isn't that just beautiful? Loving that orange. That is gorgeous. Loving that orange so much. Yeah, that reminds me of my friend Mad Mimi, crocheting and farming. And that's not all. I also got another package of this. And this is the Knitology worsted. And I had to get the pinks again. And I have 3 other packages of pinks, so this makes the 4th. Which makes me for a, like, hopefully a hooded cardigan. And then, I gotta pull these ones out. Here we go. Sorry for the crinkling. And then I got it in what they call Dune, which is this colorway. And I got 3 of these, which is enough for me to make myself a sweater. It's because it's, I think it's 440 something or 480 some yards. And that's enough to make a sweater too. So I got 3 in this colorway of Dune. And I already have a set in the blue colorway. So now I have 3 personal ones in the blues. So now I have enough for another sweater again in the blues. But I paid $6.25 for each for these. 1, 2. Each of these was $6.25. So that was a really good deal. I mean, seriously good deal for $6 1/4. So I'm really happy about that. The details on this, I guess I should tell you. One moment, and I'll lift that up. Let me set these down out of the way. So, let me pull up the details on this for you. Alright, it'll take a second. Yarn. So the details on this is, it's 100% superwash merino. It's a worsted weight. There's 448 yards in each set. So that's really good. And it's definitely enough with having 3 of these. That's enough for me to make a sweater with some extra. So I'm really happy about that. So I got 3 sweaters worth, and one of them I have enough to make a hooded cardigan plus enough for a hat and gloves or something, or cowl. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Really happy about all that. The total thing together was $68 plus shipping. So that was a good deal. Anyway, yeah, more yarn like I needed it. Anyway, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.